If you're looking for modern luxury at a relatively affordable price at $2,995,000, you want to be in a beautiful niche community by Blue Heron, welcome to Arvada on the island out at Lake Las Vegas in Henderson, Nevada. This is the Arete, 3,832 square foot. We got 3 bedrooms, we have 4 beautiful bathrooms, and we have a 4-car garage, and we're on the canal. Let's go ahead and take a look at this property. And I'm Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage, and of course, we always appreciate you joining our channel and those who give me a call. We love helping you buy and sell homes all over the greater Las Vegas Valley. So enough about me, let's get into this great home. As you can see, the modern architecture. This home does have Blue Heron's biophilic design. So it's supposed to be calming and relaxing. It uses a lot of windows to bring in natural sunlight with views, and also brings in some like raw materials from the local area to kind of bring that outdoor, indoor living, inside the house. So we have a little courtyard here, as you can see. This is one of the bedrooms over here. This is a 60-inch glass pivot door leading us into the house. All the windows in this property are already pre-tinted, so it's kind of nice. Gives you a little bit of privacy, a little additional shade, and also should help with the heating and cooling. All right, we're just gonna start here in the main room. We got 30 by 30 square tiles. We've got gorgeous marble center island there, stunning waterfall, floating cabinetry mirrored on the bottom, part of that biophilic design. High ceilings. And we're just gonna kind of explore this area, and then we'll check out the primary bedroom and the additional rooms in this house. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button. Follow me, talk to me, give me a call. We'll tell you all about everything going on in real estate, market updates, new communities, old communities, you name it. If you're looking to buy or sell, we would love to be part of that journey with you. So, all right, so let's just focus on the kitchen right here. I believe I did mention you have a marble countertop. Got a waterfall edging over there. You have a solid core cabinetry, got a little mirror action on the bottom. It's part of that biophilic design. And we do have different color cabinetry in the front versus the back. You kind of got that more wood tone and that little more light colored back right there. Here we go. Some shale, local shale, right, brought in to the area. We have Wolf appliances, big Sub-Zero fridge. Everything is soft close. There's our microwave. And what's nice about these ovens is these dual ovens. It's very sleek. Just push button. Not even a button. You just push to open and close them. Back here we have our 6-burner Wolf cooktop with skillet. Got your built-in hood. Over here we have our dishwasher, a nice sink. Panning around the room a little bit. Our big old built-in fridge right there. And as we move back here, we have, so here's you got your additional room. This could be a prep kitchen. You could put cabinets, sinks. If you wanted to put another fridge back here, you could. You could do kind of whatever you wanted to with this room. And then you actually have a separate pantry, which is just right here. Nice and good size. And the doorways in this property are 8 foot, and the traditional height ceilings are 10 foot. So let's go ahead and continue over here. This home does have a nice little wet bar, so if you're into entertaining, you have a great bar station set up right here. A little wine fridge down there. Got a sink up here for prep. So yeah, be a nice area to be hanging out, chilling with friends and family. And over here we have a fireplace. Actual gas fireplace, so those are real flames down there. You change the colors, the LED lights with the glass rocks. Of course, you would have your TV set up right here. Let's pan up to the ceiling a little bit. There's just a couple of those high windows up there. And then back over here, you have even more. All right. And now we're not going to go, I'm not going to walk outside because I I don't want to track any dirt inside the property, but we can open the slider and just kind of show you. So you do have the canal right there. So the water levels do kind of go up and down. You could put a dock back here if you wanted to, have a boat, electric motors, kayaks, you know, whatever it is you want to do, paddle boards, kind of, and then head out to the main body of water and kind of do that. You could put a nice pool back here, all sorts of things. Over on this side, it's also Blue Heron community, that's Leora. So those would be home sites right there as well. All right, let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. Here's kind of a little rendering of what your backyard could look like. So, pretty nice. And that's going to lead us into the primary bedroom. Now, the primary also has its own door right there to the backyard. So you could have a fire pit right there. Maybe this is where you have your hot tub, sunken fire pit, whatever you want, you know, kind of a multitude of options. And that kind of gives you an idea of what it could look like one day with the homes across the way. All right, so here we've got some of those mirrors we were talking about, where it kind of, you know, brings it back through. Then we have windows kind of into the bathroom area. Got a freestanding soaking tub right there. Some, you know, natural kind of river rocks from around the area. Lots of light coming into this room here. Got two separate sinks, floating cabinetry. Got these kind of cool trough sinks right here, so very elegant, very sleek. Very kind of minimal looking. Got a little vanity right there. And there's our freestanding soaking tub. Toilet to our left. Shower to our right. Nice big walk-in shower. Got all your controls. Got two power jets. Got a rainfall. Got a handheld wand over there. Nice little bench area, and you got your niches tucked in nicely over here, so you can keep all of your shampoos and soaps and whatnot kind of out of the way. It is a zero threshold shower going into it, so it's very, very sleek and clean. And back here, we have your AV closet right there, additional storage, and then this is the closet, which is just waiting for you to build it out. So, we have this door right here. It's going to take us into the laundry room. And behind this wall is the kitchen. And then also you have a little access point out to the main room of the house. So the secondary bedrooms come in here to do laundry. They can easily come in. Got a sink, lots of storage. You have quartz countertops in here. And this takes us into the garage. One of two entrances into the garage. So we've got these nice silent choice garage door motors on the sides. Makes it very quiet, very clean. And this opens us up into the second one. We have the water softener loop right there. Water softener, water conditioner. Nice good sized garage. We have dual tankless hot water heaters. And this door right here just leads us out to the side of the house. So when you're bringing in or putting out your rubbish bins, right, then you can easily store them on the side of the house if you wanted to, or you could put them inside the garage. All right, so we're gonna just pop out through this other door so you can kind of see where it's at. So it brings us right out kind of by the pantry area. So to bring in your groceries, very convenient, or if you wanted to go straight into the laundry room, into the primary suite area, it's also very convenient. So kind of showing you this view here, of course, of this room. We did not quite cover this yet. And let's go ahead and head back here to the secondary bedrooms and the half bath. So this bathroom's pretty cool. So the only lights that are in here are the backlit ones. So we'll actually come in here, shut the door. This is a very peaceful, very calming bathroom. Mirror. So, okay, had a little technical difficulty there with the thing, the stabilizer. So just showing you this bathroom with its really just ambient light. It's all backlit. It's very peaceful in here. And then we can get a little more light in here. We can can kind of see the colors. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and head out into these secondary bedrooms. So we'll call this bedroom number 2. It's rather large, and the bedrooms are also en suites. Here is the bathroom. Got a walk-in shower. Very similar tile to what you saw in the primary. Got our niches back there in the corner. And over here you got a closet, which is waiting for you to come put your touches on it. And each bedroom does have its own climate control, so that's very nice. Here's that bedroom that has that doorway into the courtyard front of the house right there. So if you had, maybe a parent or an adult living with you that kind of wants to be able to come and go without disturbing the rest of the house, you could. All of the doors in this home are solid core, so it's very good for sound deadening. And this bathroom is going to look very much similar to the other one we just saw. All right, so that's just going to leave us with the one additional room. It's not a bedroom, flex room. Let's call it a flex room. You can do whatever you want with it. Of course, we've got the big 5 panel slider right there. And now here we have another large room. This is the flex room over here. So this could be a great game room. It's a really big room. If you really wanted to make this into a bedroom, you could easily add some stuff to it. It's just the HVAC, so it's not like a closet, but you could build something out in here or just make this like a very kind of loft style living. And then also has access to the backyard. So, well, that about does it for this property. This is a move-in ready home, so it's never been lived in. If you would like some more information about this house or you'd like to come see it, give me a call. All my contact info has been right there. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you on the next home tour.